Okay, welcome back to another video. In this video we're doing another little watch unboxing. On a streak at the moment. I've got one more after this, so if you're enjoying it then you're going to be excited. This one is a brand Vagary. I got this one in Italy. Not entirely sure if it's an Italian only thing, I would imagine not, but very cool. Obviously, as you can tell, a kind of like child company of Citizen, so you're still going to be getting that Citizen quality, but it's just a little bit different. We've got like a tin can effectively, with an interesting design on it. Very nice. I like something different like this, and it's nice to keep it in on a shelf. It looks well, it looks interesting, doesn't it? So the top pulls off just like you would expect, and then you get the watch satin foam effectively. This one was not as expensive as the limited edition one I showed previously. This one was 100 euros, so about 95 quid, which isn't bad at all for what I think is a very nice watch. Again, obviously had it resized for myself, so it's quite small, but yeah, so you can obviously see the Citizen pedigree in there. It's quite similar, but you've got a nice metal strap with the Vagary logo there, and obviously on the face as well. You've got a 24-hour clock on the right, a second hand actually, which is at the bottom there, because the red hand is just a stopwatch. It's either up or down. There you go. Yep. So the red one is just a stopwatch, not a second hand, which did confuse me when I first bought it. And then obviously you can reset it. But obviously at the bottom right you've got the little, just the standard date thing, and then another timer in the middle there. But a very nice design. I like the slightly bigger bezel around the edge with obviously the compass on it. Not overly useful obviously, but that's not the point. I think it's a very nice design. It's quite striking from afar as well, because it's got big fonts on it and stuff like that, whereas the Citizen one can kind of blend in a little bit. Nothing fancy going on with the dials in this one, but still a very nice, obviously reflective aluminium type design. You've got a bit of the Vagary stuff on the back by Citizen, just to let you know again. But yeah, very nice watch, this one. Not so much the unboxing experience you get from the Citizen watch, but interesting nonetheless, and it's nice to have something a little bit different that people don't know about. So if you've got any questions or anything, pop them in the comments, and I will do my best to reply.